Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George here. This is a 2021 Crosstrek Convenience that we just sold. So, the reason I'm doing this video, kind of showcasing some of the accessories you can get. So this is an entry-level Crosstrek. What did we do? Installed a block heater out the grill, easy access. We can remove it from there, tuck it somewhere else if you'd like, but it's nice there, it's secured, it's not gonna flop around. The owner of this Crosstrek had the Subaru brand splash guards installed. Does a lot of camping, gravel road driving, so it's gonna help that. The Thule cargo basket is gonna use for carrying gear. Aerodynamics, I actually have the same one on my Crosstrek, and it holds a lot of stuff. I put firewood up there, spare tire, luggage bags. In the back, lots of storage room in the back of the Crosstrek. We have the carpet mats in here. We also have installed the Subaru Highwall mats in this one. But decent amount of storage in the Crosstrek. Even in this very back, people don't expect there to be that much. Second row, room to fit up to 3 people comfortably across, even taller people fit. Those form-fitted mats, they've got that lip, they hold dirt, grime, mud. You can take them out really easily, empty them. The owner of this Crosstrek also opted for the Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade. It is a phenomenal upgrade over the stock sound system. Height adjustable driver's seat on a pump system. I don't know if you can see it going down there, but it is, I promise. The inside, auto headlights. You can't turn them to off, so they default to auto. You can hold them off, but it defaults to auto. And you can't kill the battery if you leave them turned on. They will shut off when you shut off the Crosstrek. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, Bluetooth audio controls, volume. Way better than the stock sound system in the Convenience Crosstrek. Right-hand side has our adaptive cruise and our lane centering, so even the entry-level Crosstreks get Subaru's Eyesight Cameras, so the 2 color stereo cameras. So this does the adaptive cruise, so it's looking for the vehicle ahead of us. If we catch up to it, we'll follow at a set distance, and you can select that distance. And then we have lane centering, keep you between the lanes above 60 kilometers an hour. So not really for in-town driving, more highway driving. Great for the end, for long trips, you're less fatigued at the end of the day. 2 different drive modes. We have intelligent, with it, which it is in right now. Next to the P for park, there's an I for intelligent. Hit S for sport. You can see the torque curve gets a little bit more aggressive. You accelerate more aggressively. Little information screen up here. Clock, thermometer, average speed, estimated distance to empty, and our temperature. So it ranges from 18 on the low side all the way up to 32 on the high side. So from freezing to tropical, fan strength's there, where the airflow's coming from. Really easy to use. AM, FM, auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth radio. Super easy to hook those up. USB and auxiliary are in there. You can also do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto through that. And then through phone, you would hook up for, which we won't do right now, but hook your phone up, you go media, and then you've got Bluetooth for any Bluetooth audio you want to do. Physical buttons are there, climate controls there. It is an automatic transmission. We do have the low gearing. Reverse pops up our backup camera, and it shows us the top of the bumper, so we have something to relate to. And then X mode, which is like 4x4 low in a pickup. When you turn on X mode, that comes up. Little rough terrain icon, downhill ascent icon. It changes the way the transmission and the engine work together. Your gearing's a little bit lower in the transmission. Your throttle isn't as responsive, so there's no chance of getting a huge surge of power. It comes on more easily. It makes a big difference. So that's a brief overview of the 2021 Crosstrek Convenience. I'm Tyson the Subaru Specialist. Talk to you guys soon.